On Monday, the St. Anne Parish Council also hosted a ceremony to commemorate the anniversary of the Black Liberator's birth. It was filled with joy, especially as the council named the recipient of this year's Marcus Garvey Scholarship.
Rally round the flag, rally round the red, gold, black and green.
Today serves as a memorable day in the parish of St. Anne, our nation, and the world by extension. A day in which we celebrate the immense contribution of an individual who has indeed assisted in the black movement across the world.
The theme today, liberate the minds of men through education, is very timely. You know that in the 19th century, in which Marcus Garvey was born, education, indeed, the black man and education was unheard of. Yes, unheard of. And in many fora, it was even considered a joke. The thought of the Negro, the thought of the black man and business was even more outrageous and was held up to outright ridicule. We have come a far way in this 21st century.
Garvey was what I call a polymath. A polymath is someone who has a wide range of skill sets. Master of English language, public speaker, he's founder of the UNIA and ACL, the largest transnational black organization of the 20th century. Political organizer, local government representative, he sat on the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation between 1930 and 1934. Writer of verses, poetry, and plays, organizer of boxing tournaments and cultural activities at the Edoise Park in Slipe Road, newspaper and magazine publisher, entrepreneur, businessman.
To today's scholarship awardees, we encourage you to use the power of your own mind to make a positive difference. Marcus Mosiah Garvey said, knowledge is power. You must never stop learning. No one is ever too old to learn. One must therefore never stop reading.
In a nutshell, what we look at in order to choose the recipient or the awardee is that once the GSAT results are out, then we look for the 6 top grades of the students that will be attending Marcus Garvey. We also recognize that it is not just about grades, not just about academics, but an interview is also conducted because we want to know of the children's involvement in their communities, in school, and any other extracurricular activity. Here we have 6 excellent young men and women who will be attending the Marcus Garvey High School this year and who, because of their performances, were invited to apply for the Marcus Garvey Scholarship. This scholarship is offered for the 5 years of high school at the Marcus Garvey High School. It is a scholarship that is worth $50,000 each year for a total of $250,000 for the 5 years. The scorecards are in, the judges have done their bit, and I would like to announce this afternoon that the winner of the 2015 Marcus Garvey Scholarship for Excellence is none other than Darren Phillips.